Shri Prasad, the CGV, General Manager, Sales and Marketing, Bharat Fritz Werner Limited, a seasoned mechanical engineer with over 35 years of experience in areas of product design and development, turnkey project handling, business development for various engineering companies of repute. Shri Prasad has led design, development, and turnkey projects across reputed engineering firms. Currently, he serves as General Manager, Sales and Marketing at Bharat Fritz Werner Limited, overseeing government business across India for all product portfolios. Let's please welcome Shri Prasad on stage.
Good afternoon, everybody. This is Prasad from Bharat Fritz Werner Limited, Bangalore. I'm working as General Manager Marketing in one of the leading machine tool manufacturers in the country, Bharat Fritz Werner Limited. Let me take you back to the panel discussions that we have. The first panel discussions we had, where the importance of advanced manufacturing, sustainability, latest technologies, MSME backbone, railway cluster manufacturing, life cycle costs, testing and development, local manufacturing. All these points were emphasized during this panel discussion one. So we are a company who are, So we are at the core of manufacturing of parts. So in the sense that we manufacture CNC machines. Let me just introduce our company. So first thing is, we are Bharat Fritz Werner Limited. We are a 100% Indian-owned company. That's the pride that we take. Though we generated from a German multinational company called Fritz Werner of Germany, but currently we are a 100% Indian-owned company. We design, manufacture, supply, install, and commission, take care of warranty and non-warranty services of various types of CNC machines that we are going to manufacture. We are in this line of business for over 6 decades and have supplied more than about 65,000 of machines to various industries, including railways. Be it defense, you name any manufacturing sector in India, our machines are there. Of course, we are into cutting solutions. In terms of the products, the portfolios that we have, the first thing is we got a sort of standard machines. The standard machines, we say, it could be basically on 3 platforms. It is on a milling platform. On a milling platform, we have got vertical machining centers, horizontal machining centers. We have got another platform, which is on a turning platform. We manufacture on a vertical and a horizontal platform. And after this, we have got special purpose machines, which is specifically designed for any customer-specific applications. So apart from this, we offer machining solutions. When you talk about, say, machining solutions, it is the entire machining line that we are going to give. We give automation solutions, we give productivity solutions, we give precision component manufacturing. So these are being done by some of our subsidiary companies. In terms of our technical collaborations or this is over and above the technologies that we are offering. We have entered into collaboration with a lot of European players, and we have brought in a lot of high-end technologies into Indian market, and we have been participating in a lot of government tender inquiries as a local class 1 and class 2 supplier. So in terms of our market penetration, so we have got more than about 60,000 machines working on the field, and it has been supplied to various sectors across the cross-section of industries. So in terms of our infrastructure, we have got our own foundry, which is very unique. We have got our own spindle manufacturing, which is also a very unique point. And we have got a government-approved R&D lab, which takes care of all of our research and development activities. Then we have got a highly skilled manpower, and we have got a world-class manufacturing facility in Bangalore and Hosur. So this is typically the structure of BFW, and this is where we are. And we are present in the business from 1961 onwards. We started off our journey from conventional machines, and now we have moved up into CNC machines. So right from the basic CNC machine to the machining lines and cells, special purpose machines, we have been providing solutions to various cross-section of industries. One in Bangalore and one in Hosur. Then we have got 48 locations. We have got our network, and we have got our dealer network also. And we supply machines all over India and to the world also as well. So we have got tech centers in Ahmedabad, Aurangabad, Pune, Kolhapur, and Coimbatore. And we have put up our footprint across the globe. So we have got a dealer network across various countries in Europe, France, Italy, we have got our own setup. So this is where we are as far as our network is concerned. In terms of our technology offerings that we give, so majorly this is classified into 3 sections, as I said. So milling machine is one platform. On milling machines, we have got horizontal machining centers, vertical machining centers, as I said earlier. In turning, we manufacture a lot of turning machines, which is on a vertical platform and on a horizontal platform. Then we have got multitasking machines, which is a combination of milling, turning, grinding. It's a multi-purpose machine. So in fact, using 10 machines of other kinds, one machine will be able to replace the entire set of operations. So just to give an idea about the portfolio of products that we have got, let me take you through a small law. ये वाला क्लिक करने के वाला नहीं आ रहा नहीं ये वाला नहीं गो बैक नहीं गो अप ये वाला नहीं गो बैक Sorry. So in terms of the products that we are manufacturing on a vertical platform, we have got vertical machining centers, about 37 varieties of the vertical machining centers. So you can see, depending on the technologies, we are classified as 5-axis, composite structure, double column, travel column, high-speed VMCs, and fixed columns. These are in terms of the technologies that we have got. Along the x-axis, we have got the y-axis stroke, which is from 250 to 2000 mm. So any machine which requires a y-axis from 250 to 2000 mm, we'll be able to give it with the kind of technologies that is listed here. These are all the models which we have got under those specific categories. Under horizontal machining centers, so we have got about 21 products in this horizontal platform. When you talk about horizontal, the spindle is horizontal. The approach faces of all the components is much higher. The productivities could be much higher compared to a vertical machining center. So these are typically used when high productivities are involved. And we have got a range from pallet size of 320 to 2000 mm. This is the pallet size that we are going to offer. And these are all the high-end technologies that we have got. We have got a 5-axis HMC, high-performance HMCs, moving column RAM-type HMCs, production-type HMCs, moving column rotary HMCs. These are all the various technologies that we have got, and this is the range of products that we have got in this particular segment. Turning, as I said, we have got in 2 versions. One is a horizontal version, other one is a vertical version. In horizontal version, we have got the sizes from say 300 to 1200 in various combinations. This is what is listed here. And we have got PL series machines, which are flatbed machines. And this can go up to almost about 2.53 meters of ABC this can take, and a diameter of almost about 800 mm. So this is the range that we can give within this PL series of machines. Turning, this is vertical turning. So in terms of vertical turning, we can give the technology. We have got 3 technologies actually: turret-based, milling head type, and ram type. So under these categories, again, in terms of the turning length, about 500 to 2000 mm is what we can give. So this is the range that we have got in VTLs. 5-axis multi-process technologies. This is basically used in aerospace and space applications where critical components needs to be manufactured. So these kind of machines we manufacture. We have got in 3 versions: head to table, head tilting, and table axis. So we have got in various series, which is called as a Swift series. Then we have got in CL series. Then we have got in Orion series. These are basically the names that is given in terms of the size and the specifications. These equipments are going to differ. So it's a 5-axis simultaneous machine used for very critical parts production. In terms of the spindle heads, as I said earlier, we have got our own spindle manufacturing facilities. We manufacture all type of spindles in-house. So the various types of spindles that we manufacture are the integral motor spindles, torque spindles in various options, direct drive rotary axis, and high precision repeatability. So these are the various types of spindle heads that we manufacture. These are the head sets that are being used on our own machines. We make these machines along with these spindles as well. Then we have got these special purpose machines, which is basically customized to a specific requirement. So there are various specific requirements that we get. For example, we talk about a crankshaft pin milling machine, crankshaft cam line boring machine. So there are various types of machines which are specific to the customer requirements. And we design everything, right from design to, as I said, up to non-warranty services. We take care of all the activities that is involved, and we give them as machining lines also. Along with this, we give machining lines and cells as a part of the SPM also. And along with standard machines, we give tooled up solutions also. That is, the components are being manufactured and demonstrated that this kind of productivity, this kind of accuracies can also be done on our machines. So this is in a nutshell about the kind of products that we manufacture. So coming to railway applications, of course, we are given solutions to various sectors of industries, including defense, space, aerospace. Railways is one of the sectors which we are catering to, and the typical products are listed below here. So typically, we are given solutions for bogie frame manufacturing, bolster, brake disc, wheel set. So these are the typical components that are being manufactured on our machines. Just to give an idea about what kind of machines that we are given for these applications, let me take you through this small drill down on this. So this is about the bogie frame machining. So when you talk about this bogie frame machining, this is a double column vertical machining center. It's a 5-axis machining that we are given. These are all the specifications of the machine. These are the components. These components are being manufactured, and components have been demonstrated for its accuracies, and the machines have been delivered. Just to give an idea about the specifications of the machine, let me take you through a small. This is about the bogie frame machining. So when you talk about this bogie frame machining, this is a double column vertical machining center. It's a 5-axis machining that we are given. These are all the specifications of the machine. These are the components. These components are being manufactured, and components have been demonstrated for its accuracies, and the machines have been delivered. Just to give an idea about the specifications of the machine, let me take you through a small drill down on this. So this is a gantry type double column vertical machining center that we are given for this application. Let me go through a small video of this so that you get an idea about how the machines would look like. So we got a complete world-class manufacturing setup to manufacture all the parts of these machines, assemble, testing, everything. We got an entire set of facilities in Bangalore and Hosur. So these are the machines which are indigenously manufactured by us, designed, manufactured by us. Just to give an idea about how the machine looks like, I just put up this video. That is a CNC system. And all our machines are integrated into various types of CNC systems. Either it could be Fanuc, either it could be Siemens or Mitsubishi. Any kind of CNC system can be integrated on our machines. So that was about bogie frame. Let me talk about bolster. So this was the machine that we are given for bolster applications, a traveling column vertical machining center. Again, you can see the specifications of the machine given there. And this is a traveling column vertical machining center. Let me show it through a video. So it is called as TCM series. TCM is basically a traveling column. So when the components are very big, the components cannot be moved. It will be stationed at one point. The machine strokes will move to carry out various machining operations on the component. rotation. So maximum torque you can see up to 550 Newton meter. There is a table which is 360 degrees continuous rotation, where the components are being placed on this for carrying out the machining operations. Turntable diameter. In various diameters, these machines are available. So there's an impeller which is being machined on this particular machine. Just a demo of the capabilities that we have. This is for a railway, for an automobile axle application. This is a table that is mounted on the main table, which can, where it can, components can tilt accordingly. These are thermal cooling effects that is being provided. These are the automatic tool changer, where a lot of tools are there for carrying out various machining operations of the component. That is, you can see the tool change. So that's the TMC series of machine. Then we have got one more on brake disc. Of course, this is a vertical turning lathe. This is also one of the components that we are given. Various operations that is being carried out, the specifications of the machine and the cycle time details have been given here. This is just to demonstrate that we will be able to do this, these kind of parts. Just one more component is what we have got is a wheel set. So this is basically a wheel set in line. So basically the entire operation that is being done on a wheel set is being carried out here. The wheel basically has got about 3 operations. On a wheel it is being done on a vertical turret lathe, and the axle is being machined on a horizontal turning lathe, and the assembly of that, once it is assembled, it has machining operations are to be carried out. This is a layout that is being a proposed layout that we have done it for the machining of these wheel sets. You can see the takt time is about 3.5 minutes. Individually, if you can see, there's an axle machining solution. The axle is a part of that wheel set. So these are the various operations that is being carried out. So this is the machine that is given for this axle machining solution. It's basically a horizontal turning center. These are the specifications of the machine. So it's a continuation on that. So this wheel machining, basically the machining of the wheels is being carried out. So these are the specifications of the vertical machining center that we have given. So these are the various operations that is carried out, the tools, the details of the entire machining, this thing has been listed here. So in a nutshell, so these are the units, railway units for which these machines have been supplied. We are supplied to ICF Chennai, a horizontal turning lathe. Similarly for various railway units, which for ICF Chennai, DW Patiala. So these are the kind of machines, these are the applications for which it is given, and the number of machines that is given. And these are all, we have participated through tenders and we have got the orders, and it is all executed through COFMO, majorly. So again, axle shafts, railway wheels. So bogie frame and engine frame machining. So these are the parts that we have given, and these are the kind of machines that we have given, machines that is used for carrying out the machining operations. So this is just to give a glimpse of what we have already given. In terms of the parts that can be manufactured, these are some of the typical automotive parts that are being manufactured on our machines. Similarly, tractor parts, railway parts. I've already explained details about some of these railway machining operations, but it's just typical of the kind of parts that can be manufactured on our machines. These are some of the aerospace parts where we use this 5-axis machining centers. These are very, very critical machines that we are given for aerospace applications. Industrial valves. Yeah. Just 2 minutes, yeah. And the industrial sectors that we are catering, so automobile, railways, pumps and valves, these are the sectors that we are catering. Typically, wherever manufacturing is there, we are there, typically. That's in one way, I will put it that way. These are some of the certifications that we have got and the awards and recognitions that we have got from various organizations. These are some of our listed, some of the customers that we have got, key customers. So with this, we are enabling progress of the manufacturing industries. Thank you very much.